Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to see everything Google tracks. So to start, open Google and sign in to your Google account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner. Then go to manage your Google account. Now on the left sidebar, go to data and privacy. So this section shows what information Google collects and how it is used. So here you can review location history to see places you've visited if enabled. You also have timeline in Google Maps. You have ad settings to view your ad personalization profile. You have devices signed in to your Google account. You have apps and websites connected to your account. You can also download your data. So if you want a complete copy of your Google data, just go to Tools and click Download. So click Download your data. Then you can export emails, photos, contacts, activity history, and much more. Now, if you scroll up and under personalization and activity, you can go to My Activity. So here you can see Google search history, timeline, play history, YouTube history, and web and app activity. Now, down here, you can use the search filter options to find specific activities. You can click delete button right here. So you can choose last hour, last day, all time, etc. Or you can also delete one by one. Just scroll down and click this X button right here to delete that activity. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.